Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. We are going to start our day with our calendar. Yay! Okay, here we go. Who remembers what month is today? What month are we in right now? Let's think about that. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September starts with the letter S. September is right here. So we are in September. Okay, so let's all sing the month song today. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, it is September, and let's see, what number comes after 8? Because that number is the date of today. So what number comes after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're right. Here is our 9. We will put that on our calendar because today is September the 9th, 2020, right? Okay, let's look at our pattern. We have red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. I wonder what color tomorrow will be. Remember, all the red ones are A, all the green ones are B. So this pattern is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Wonder what will be tomorrow. What letter comes after A? B. So you think about what color tomorrow will be, and tomorrow we will see if you are correct. Okay, we are going to work on what today is, and I'm not sure if Mrs. Hensley told you or not, but yesterday was Tuesday, so we need to know what today was, okay? So here we go. Let's do our 7 days of the week. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. 7 days in a week. And I said earlier what today was. Today is Wednesday. Just like this, friends. Wednesday. So we will put that right here. So now it says today is Wednesday. What comes after Thursday? Mrs. Hensley's doing the months, not the days. Here we go. What comes after Wednesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, there's that TH, that naughty TH. You get to stick out your tongue. Watch. Oh, the only time that it's appropriate to stick out your tongue at somebody. Thursday. Naughty, Mrs. Hensley calls that the naughty TH. It's naughty because you stick out your tongue. Okay, so here's Thursday. So tomorrow will be Thursday. What comes before Wednesday? Watch. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What was this one here? Sunday, Monday. Starts with the letter T. Tuesday. Right like that. Tuesday. So we have yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. And our season, we are still in summer. Soon it will be the season that comes after summer, and that is fall. Okay, so we will be talking about this week a little bit about apples because apples come up in the fall. So we did that yesterday too, didn't we? Okay, so we need to add a straw. See if you can see that really good. Maybe Mrs. Hensley's making it worse. Okay, we're going to add a straw for the number of days, adding today to our number of days that we've been in school. So let's put that in our counting the days pocket chart under the ones, because remember, we don't do anything with that until we get to 10 days of school. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are so close to 10. Oh my goodness, we are so close to 10. Let's add a tally mark. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days of school. So Mrs. Hensley needs to write the 9 here. Okay, so we have gotten our days of the week, and we've done our numbers of days we've been in school. Okay, Mrs. Hensley has something hanging up there, a writing thing, so Mrs. Hensley cannot. So I'm going to take you right over here. I'm sorry if I'm giving you a headache. I'm going to take you right here, and we're going to write that date up here. Mrs. Hensley's got her work up here that we worked on. Let's write that date right up here. September is the 9th month. 9 dash, and we said it's the 9th. Oh, pretty cool. 9-9-20 for the year. Or we can write it SEPT period, the abbreviation for September. 2 finger spaces, 9, comma, 2020. Or we can write the entire word September, 2 finger spaces, 9, comma, 2020. So today when you're doing your journal later on, you can use this. I'll show this again. You can use this to do your journal. Okay, we have some things that we need to do today. Oh my goodness. And remember, there's no question of the day. Mrs. Hensley has a fun video for you to watch, okay? Where question of the day was on the morning message, there's something fun to do there. Okay, so today, let's talk about what we are going to do. We're going to work on our sound skills like we did yesterday. Remember, you did some rhyming words yesterday with a video. We're going to do sound skills again today like that. We're going to work on phonics, the letters T, B, and F. You'll watch a video. But you know what? In the video, she's going to show that the writing again, the writing of the letter T, B, and F. You're not going to do that, okay? You're just going to watch because you did that yesterday. So today, we're going to focus on writing just 2 letters, and that is uppercase T and lowercase t. And we will work on that together, okay? Then we're going to do our letter naming fluency. Then we're going to do an I Spy page, and that's going to be fun. And then we're doing a letter T craft. Don't start it yet. Mrs. Hensley wants to do it with you. I have already colored it, so I'm excited about that. Then I will be reading Apple Trouble, and you will have a math activity with that, counting apples in a basket and matching them to the correct basket. And we will journal write our 2nd page today, okay? Don't start that yet. Wait for Mrs. Hensley, okay? You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in just a little bit. I know I'm silly. See you soon. Bye-bye.